Hey guys, Ashley Houseman coming to you from the Sunshine Veranda. Today I'm going to teach you how to cut up some old bottles, reuse them, repurpose them, upcycle them, whatever you want to call it, for other purposes. In our case, we have been spending a lot of extra time at home. So my boys go through about a pack of these every other day, cutting them up, reusing them, creating awesome little vases and places so that we can plant items. So I have my favorite trusty IKEA board, a good pair of kitchen shears, as well as my favorite Cutco knife. So what I'm doing, taking off the label, make sure that this is off in the appropriate place, not on the floor like my boys think. Then just below the little ridge that bumps out, I've been cutting it right there, and the reason for that is because if you leave the top on, put it upside down, it could be a vase, and then the other side can be used for other smaller things like avocados. We've done oranges, we've done apples. Gonna do Brussels sprouts later today. Hope that works out because they're like my favorite. So what I've been doing is I've just been creating, very careful with the knife. It doesn't have to be a vegetable knife like this one is. Getting a little hole right there. I'm gonna take the kitchen shears. Oops. There we go. And then just keeping the line under those ridges. Nice and straight. There you have it. Two awesome little uses. Just to show you a couple things. There. Get a little bit closer so you can see the awesomeness. So 2 weeks ago, we had taco night. Cut the romaine. This is literally 2 weeks of growth. So just chopped off the top of the romaine, put it in the water, changing the water every 2 days, and that's what we have. That's 2 weeks. This is 1 week. And same thing, scallions, green onions, if you're a fan. Literally did this 3 days ago. And lastly, if you're a big fan of avocado toast like I am, I go through a couple of these a week. There you go. So there you have it. Some great uses for something that would otherwise get thrown in the trash. Have a great day. Hope you liked it. Give it a like, give it a share. Leave a comment. Let me know what you're doing with to upcycle and all that goodness too. Have a great day.